Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I'm Prajwal Desai and these are the headlines.
Meteorological Department reiterated that Goa will be hit by very heavy rains, winds till June 18th. Spells to be intense but of short duration, forecast says. India reports 62,224 COVID-19 cases, 2,542 deaths in last 24 hours. Goa has 13 deaths, 310 positive cases from 2,585 tests. This takes the total tally of active cases to 4,044. Orlim retaining wall, part of the 16 crore rupees works beautification work that includes Benaulim collapses. Locals very upset, want responsible punished.
Now the news in detail. A case of shoddy work was brutally exposed by the first monsoon showers. The retaining wall opposite to the Orlim church collapsed due to heavy rains. This retaining wall is part of the 16 crore rupees beautification work that includes the ones at Benaulim. Here are the details.
Locals and Panchas say that they want to affix responsibility and will file an FIR against the concerned authorities, calling this a waste of taxpayer money.
Environmentalची बरबादी आणि म्हाका क्वेश्चन तो हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा एक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर गोंयचे आणि कोण काम करपी इंजिनियर सुपरवायझर ते गोंयचे एनवायरमेंट आम कितें म्हणटा कळना वातावरण ओके क्लायमेट कितें म्हणटा आमी सजमनाल्या भाशेन ते बांदना सेकंडली बांदून तुमी वचपाट अबॅन्डन करून गेले पावस स्टार्ट जालो म्हणून जाल्यार सुपरवायझर येवन तेंगे इंजिनियर येवन टायम टू टायम चोवपाक जाय बाबा आमी बांदलो ते थिंगा आहा वो ना ते कित्याक करून रावलो सो ते तो आहले जर खंय बुराक मार जाय आहले उदक सोंडिता आहले ते उदक बोल्ला तो पसकट जाला फुगला आणि कलॅप्स जाले जाल्यार तेगे सुपरवायझिंग थिंग फूल टायम कित्याक नासले तो क्वेश्चन म्हाका बांदतले आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक हांव कोत्ता आयज कित्याक हे आमची काळजां दूख लागता हे पयशे सुपरवायझराक न्ही कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक न्ही आनी आमगे MLA जावं पण गव्हर्मेंटाले पयशे ते लोकांक गेले आनी आमगे हो गांव आमगेलो लोकांक गेलो सो हे आमगे वठान कोण सोडला सगळें आतां हे जबाबदारी कोण घेता हेजी जबाबदारी कोण घेता ते आमकां कळूंक जाय.
Had a meeting in Orli. They said they're going to build it only 1.5 meters. 2 weeks back, 2 or 3 weeks back, when we had another informal meeting here, it is now 3 meters this place. And today we see the whole place has come down. There has been no application of mind when building in a catchment area. They should have built it at a slope. They built it straight. When we were telling Churchill Alamau this and the engineers, they were making fun of us, asking to me engineer. Now we know the engineers of GSIDC and Churchill Alamau with Mr. Pramod Sawant what they have done to this village. They have spoiled this whole area.
ना जाल्यार पयशे आतां उदकांत गेला
Yeah, 5 crores have gone in waste, and now if they go to do it again, more 5 crores will go. Okay,
Yeah.
and the engineer certainly doesn't have to be paid his money. And this whole place has to be cleared. So, Sogle Mati Shetan, their side. Okay? So, hinche dongra kartun alle kon jana?
Full retaining wall collapse जाला. What is the reason? कित्या लागून जाला काय? So ते पळोवपाक आमी आयज हिंगा येयल्यार we can see a same tiles दिसता जे बेनावलींकूय लायलेले हा आनी थोडेशे गुगल करून पळय फायंड आउट केले GSIDC वेबसायटाचेर इट इज द सेम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर सोजा कितें तरी नांव आसा आनी कन्सल्टंट कन्स्ट्रुमा कन्सल्टन्सी इफ इट हॅज हॅपन्ड इन ओर्ली की आता एक थोडे दीस पयलीं पळयलेले हिंगा MLA येयलोलो लोकांनी सगळ्यांनी सांगलेले हे अशें नाका construction retaining wall with concrete naka still they went ahead did this and eyes we can see what has happened here. Is this the same thing going to happen in Benavali? हे आता मळना शेतांय पिड्यार जाली कॉन्क्रीट गेलो माती गेली सगळी शेतान ते पिड्यार आणि पयशे पिड्यार सो हू इज गोइंग टू पे बॅक why taxpayers money is not used wisely. Consultants are appointed. इथून consultants appoint केले हा. So what was his role?
वो incident काल झाला आणि समज म्हणल्यार हे आमगेले थोडे आणि ही फाटल्यान दिसता ती आमगे 450 years old church आणि हे थोडे म्हळ्यार आमगे चर्चीची एक ब्युटी अशी ती आमगे चर्चीक ब्युटी एड करताली ही आमगेली आडमेर आमगेली फकत 1.5 मीटर ही समाजान चलपाची आणि पयलीं लोक हे आडमेरी वयल्यान चलोन बसपा येतालो पूण आज दोनी सायडीन रस्ते जाल्याय हे आडमेरी बरोच दिसना पण पंचायतान घेवपाक लागलें ब्युटिफिकेशन ह्याचें पोस्टपोन आणि ब्युटिफिकेशन ह्याचें वॉकिंग ट्रॅक कोणा वॉकाक चलपा लागलें सो आमगे प्लॅन आसलो की व्हॉट आडमेर ओन्ली 1.5 मीटर उदकान सायडीन बरे भाशेन रबरांनी बांदून घेवन हे ब्युटिफिकेशन करचें
पण आज किती झाली
आतां पळय गेले जाल्यार हे 3 मीटर वॉल जाले आणि हे ब्युटिफिकेशन आसता तें सारकें आग्रिफिकेशन दिसतालें आणि जाय तो लोक म्हणटालो एकूण कितके काम बिकॉज दीस हॅज रियली स्पॉयल्ड द ब्युटी ऑफ आवर चर्च आणि हे पयशे कोण कोण काडटलो आणि कितें हांव खबर ना पूण देखो आमगे हे नाटक क्लियर कोण वचें हे आमकां नाका हे ब्युटिफिकेशन नाका हे ब्युटिफिकेशन न्हू हे पयशे खावपाचें प्रोजेक्ट.
Royala also said that in Benauli too, the case was similar and could become an even bigger headache. Listen to her.
उदक ना हिंगा आनी ही कोसळ्ळी आनी थिंगा उदक भरता ते सुवातेर कितें जातलें हो फियर आसा आमकां सगळ्यांक.
Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 from Salset.
The common man has been hit hard by the fuel hike during COVID-19 pandemic. Now, this is coming from the horse's mouth. The All Goa Petrol Pump Dealer Association President Paresh Joshi said that the petrol price in Goa would soon hit a century. Less source of income and less GST collections are the reason why the government cannot afford to let go of the income from taxes on fuel. Here's more.
Fuel prices have reached an all-time high in the state. Petrol is around 94 rupees per litre and diesel is around 96 rupees per litre. Joshi said in the last 50 days, petrol rates have gone up by 5.91 rupees per litre and diesel hiked by 6.96 rupees per litre. Listen to what he has to say.
कोण आमचो प्रायस जाल्लो आसा पेट्रोलाचो 93 रुपीज 81 पैसे. म्हाका दिसता आनी कांय दिसांनी तो 100 जातलो. सरकार कडेन नवी स्त्रोत्रां ना पयशे एक करपाची, कित्याक सगळी कडेन मंदी आयिल्ली आसा. ह्या पॅन्डेमिका खातीर कांय इंडस्ट्रीज चलनात, कांय दुकानां चलनात, ट्रेड्स चलनात, लोकांच्यो नोकऱ्यो गेल्ल्यो आसात. ह्या सगळ्या हातूंच्यान सरकाराक जें उत्पन्न येवंक जाय, डायरेक्ट टॅक्सीस येवपाचें कमी आसता, तितलेंच ताजें GST कलेक्शन कमी जालें हें तुमी पेपरार वाचत आसा. पेट्रोल आनी डिझल इज द ओन्ली प्रोडक्ट along with the आमचेले वायन्स alcohol which is out of the purview of GST आणि ताजेर आमचे कडेन वॅट अजून आसा. म्हणून जाता कितें, प्रायस वाडलो की तितली सरकारची एक्सायज ड्युटी वाडटा, सरकारची एक्सायज ड्युटी आनी प्रायस वाडलो की तितले स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटाचे पयशे वाडटात, तितले सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाचे पयशे वाडटात. अशें तांकां पर्संटेज वायज ताजो प्रत्येकाक फायदो मेळिल्लो आसा. आज सादारण म्हणजे असो कळ्ळें लायसी जायत जाल्यार बेसिक प्रायस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट अलॉंग विथ इट्स ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन इज ऑलमोस्ट अबाउट 38-39 रुपीज. उरिल्ले सगळे जे आमकां 93 रुपया, आज कितले आमचो प्रायस आसा 93 रुपया 81 पैसे. आज ह्या प्रायसान जर तुमी फक्त 40 रुपया कुशीक काडले जाल्यार 53 रुपया जे आसात पळय हे आयदर स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट अँड सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट हाजे मदीं वांटून वता. सरकार खंयच्यान कितें करता, हांगा हें वाडयता, एका हाजेर जर दिसाक जर 10 पैसे वाडले जाल्यार तांकां कितले पयशे मेळटा दर दिसाक. आनी हे पयशे ते आमच्या खातीर आतां जी वॅक्सिना खातीर जे लागिल्ले पयशे, रस्ते वाडोवपा खातीर लागिल्ले पयशे, कोणाची नुकसान भरपाई दिवपाची पयशे, बिकॉज हातूंच्यान तांचो एक्सायज ड्युटी वाडून मेळटा आनी कंपन्यांचो मार्जीन मेळटा. कंपन्या मागीर ते कितें सांगतात, सरकार सांगता की तुमी अमके अमके कडेन आतां जे नवें हॉस्पिटल काडलां ताका तुमी हें सप्लाय करात, ताका म्हणजे तांचो उत्पन्न ते वाडयतात लोकांचे जनते खातीर तो पयसो खर्च करपा खातीर आनी ताज्या खातीर हे प्रायस वाडत आसात.
The opposition has come out very late and even then very sporadically against the government on this hike. After taking part in the All India agitation against the hike, now the South Goa Congress MP Francisco Sardina hits out at the BJP government on this.
petrol, diesel prices. गोंय सरकार तोच, दिल्ली सरकार तोच. हे इतली पडे वाडयताय. जेन्ना international prices have gone now to 72. काँग्रेसा तेंपार 130, 40 पावल्ले. तिरासून diesel, petrol 65, 70 ताज्या उणी आसली. आमचे शेजारी गांव, you go Sri Lanka, this side you see Nepal, oil, Jordan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, हे सारखे फाटी. तर आसुनो ते शाणी तांगे पेट्रोल is less than 60. कित्याक ते जाणोय, everything depends on the price of fuel. वेजिटेबल आमी इम्पोर्ट कोत्ताय ते आनी येताय ट्रकांनी. ऑटोमॅटिकली फ्युअल चडलो, प्रायसीस वाडयले. हे हांव सरकाराक दोड उगडाय म्हणटा आनीक लोकांच्या पोटाचेर पांय दिनाकाय. इतली तुमी वाडयल्या आनी ते पयशे दाखोवन मात डिवेलपमेंट कोत्तून दाखयताय. आमकां डिवेलपमेंट जाय, पूण लोकांच्या पोटाचेर पांय दिवन न्ही. Be sensible, be rational, and both the things have to go together.
Hiru Mahale and Sandeep Goenka for Goa 365 from Vasco and Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. If the Environment Minister himself does not care about the environment himself, he should not expect people to preserve environment, Goitsa Awas said on Wednesday. The Law Minister has allowed concrete project at Lotli without following the law, the NGO has alleged.
Nilesh Kabral's name is in the 114th survey form. He has not taken any necessary approvals from the Goa Pollution Control Board and the local panchayat. The panchayat passed order to scrap the project, but still project is going on in full swing. The NGO said, and the Environment and Law Minister should set an example before people.
But eyes तुमकां आमी कितें दाखयता, and this is regarding a property which as per documents आमच्या हातान पावल्ले आसा belongs to the Environment Minister Shri Nilesh Kabral. Form 114 दाखयता ताच्या नांवार कल्टिवेबल एरिया आनी हातून एक व्हडले प्लांट आयिल्ले आसा, कॉन्क्रिटायझेशन प्लांट. जेन्ना आमी इन्वेस्टिगेट करपाक लागली आमची टीम, हातून कळून आयलें ताजे कडेन परमिशन ना, अप्रुवल ना, कांयच ना. आनी जेन्ना आमी पंचायतान गेले चॅक करपाक कशें अलाव केला, वी वर प्लेझंटली सरप्रायज आनी बरें दिसलें की पंचायतान ऑलरेडी स्टॉप नोटीस काडलेली आसा. आनी तरी पूण जेन्ना आमी क्रॉस चॅक करपाक गेले जाल्यार अजुनूय काम चालू आसा. आमचे व्हिडिओचेर आतां क्लियरली सांपडलां काम चालू आसा म्हणून. So if the Environment Minister, who is supposed to protect the environment, if he is violating such laws, what can he expect from the common man? आणि हाकाच लागून खुबशे जे वायलेशन जाता असले केसीस इज बिकॉज दे आर व्हेरी बोल्ड इनफ टू डू, बिकॉज दे नो द एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्टर आनी बाकीचे मिनिस्टर आर देमसेल्व्स आर वायलेटिंग. आतां हे कॉन्क्रिटायझेशन प्लांट आयला आनी विदाउट एनी परमिशन, दॅट मीन हू आर दे गोइंग टू सप्लाय? That means there is lot of illegality going on somewhere else. There is no accountability. So, आमी मागता या environment minister कडे, please stop you yourself violating.
The renewed public hearing on CZMP mandated by the NGT has been scheduled on 8th July at Margao and Panjim. However, environmentalists have opposed the hearing that is taking place in SGPDA market area, saying that it is in the open air and during the monsoon peak.
They say that the time is not right and have submitted memorandum to South Goa collector demanding to seriously reconsider health of people due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Environmentalists don't want public hearing as state is reeling under coronavirus pandemic. They said there are 4,400 active cases and daily 350 cases are being reported, and as around 1,500 people will attend this hearing, has the government thought about their safety? They questioned.
CZMP बद्दल कलेक्टराक रिप्रेझेंटेशन दिला आणि ताका सुचयला आणि मागणी केल्या की आता असल्या वेळार पावस जेन्ना इतलो पडटा इन द पीक ऑफ मॉन्सून्स and the pandemic is still on. स्वतः गव्हर्मेंटाकूच खबर ना कितलो वेळ पर्यंत ते वतलो, कित्याक कारण मंडे आयलो एक्सटेंड जाता, फ्रायडे आयले आनी 7 दीस वाडयता, जाल्यार 8 जुलयाचेर खरोखर ते जातले काय ना आमकांय खबर ना. म्हणल्यार आमकां शासनाक सांगपाक जाय की तुमी मातशे इल्लेशे बोर्ड आनी इल्लीशी छातयेंतले भितरले काळजांतले वापरा आनी योग्य तो दीस ठरया. असल्या जाग्यांचेर असल्या संक्रमणाक आमकां हाडून लोकांक त्रासान घालूं नये. डोंट पुट द पीपल इन ट्रबल इन their health and welfare, because the welfare of the state is there. That's why we all want to come, and we want to come and do it in a proper manner. So instead of keeping it in the peak of monsoons and in a public place where the pandemic has not yet shown any signs of abatement, we are requesting the collector to postpone the public hearing and to have it in a more suitable and safe place. Main issue म्हळ्यार आतां pandemic चलता. वयल्यान आमी SGPDA market, where it is a market place, as you know, it was most contaminated. Margam was known for it. जाल्यार इतले कोण गव्हर्मेंट when it's ready to, we are getting ready for third wave. जाल्यार third wave आम अजून रेडी जाताय जाल्यार हे CZMP hearing, is it valid to keep at this time to risk the people? मेन हे इशू आमी आतां साउथ कलेक्टराक सांगयलें that please think about the people who are coming from far away also. This pandemic, we are not sitting here to infect one another. So the government has to think over it and especially think about the people's health right now. This is not, and safety is most important, more than this.
There was huge confusion when the hearing was taken up last time, as many activists and public could not get into the halls. The hearings were challenged and the National Green Tribunal ruled that the hearing should be taken again within a month.
What is your problem? Why are you unscientific? I'm telling you. No, you all have pointed out. The Goa government has done a shortcut, passed their own notification in violation of that notification. Please don't give us the legal terms, sir. We are asking you, come to the village. I don't want to get into your debate of this, because you all have made Goa violate the rules by doing both the plans. If there's 4,000 plan, why you 25,000 plan? Where is your 25,000 plan in this draft? Where is your 25,000 plan in this draft? You all have shown only 4,000 plan, and you all are writing the 25,000. Sir, technically we also know what it is. Please go to the village and explain to us. Please go to the village. We don't want to listen. All I want to listen to us. All I want to listen to us. Go to the villages and then explain. They will listen to you. We are not here to listen. We are here to tell you what is the law, what is the notification, and how you all are violating it. And we want this thing scrapped because it is a farce. I represent the Josua Shishini Panchayat, sir. You ever been to our Shishini? You ever been to Shishini? You know where is Shishini? Shishini is after Betalbati.
सर हांव वर्काचो सरपंच. म्हाका एकूच सांग, तुमी केन्ना आमकां लेटर धाडला तुमी आमच्या पंचायत येताय म्हूण? कितें हांव तुमचें कांय जावंक ना.
Navelim MLA Luisino Falerio too agrees with the environmentalists. Government should think about the facilities first if this hearing is meant for the people, he argued.
जी serious hearing जी आहे ते hearingak it should be as per the convenience of the public. If the public is feeling it is not a right time, then they should give a time which is most convenient for them. Because this hearing is fixed in the interest of the public and in the interest of environment. So naturally, if the public feels it is inconvenient, and these are very difficult times, so they should fix it as per the convenience of the people.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Fatauda.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. India reported 62,224 COVID-19 cases and 2,542 deaths in the last 24 hours. This takes the total tally of cases to 2.96 crore and death toll to 3.79 lakhs. Goa sees 13 deaths, 310 positives. It conducted 2,585 tests. Active cases come down to 4,044.
Less than 1 lakh daily new cases have been reported for 9 consecutive days now. The country's active caseload today stands at 8,65,432. The caseload has decreased below 9 lakh mark after 70 days. The daily COVID-19 cases have drastically dropped since implementation of localized curfew by Kalangut Panchayat. Kalangut sees 1 or 2 daily cases now. Kalangut Sarpanch Sean Martin said.
First panchayats to initiate the curfew. I mean the first panchayat step and then rest of Goa followed. So if you see we take data from the health compared to April when we had started with the curfew and putting restrictions in place to now, big difference. Cases some days 0 cases are. Now we get 1 or 2 cases per day. So these restrictions, curfew has helped keeping people at home. And in Zaitanan from our village, lot of people died. And we have, and so automatically when you see people die, people get scared. So this time the lockdown was demanded by the people, and still now we see people, they are taking care, and we request all of them to please follow these SOPs and come and get vaccinated. Until they are not vaccinated, the fear of this virus spreading and fear of more people, losing more people is always going to be there.
Now for the weather. The Meteorological Department on Wednesday reiterated its forecast, saying that there is very likelihood of very heavy rainfall in Goa till June 18th, accompanied by winds of speed from 40 to 50 kilometers per hour. The rain spells would be intense and for a short duration, the forecast said.
Meanwhile, rain lashed Goa for 3rd consecutive day, flooding many areas across the state. Trees and electricity poles were hit and many did not have power for hours at end. IMD has cautioned citizens over possibilities of localized flooding of low-lying areas and landslide, mudslides and rock falls in vulnerable areas.
15th जून को गोवा में वाइडस्प्रेड रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट किया गया और हेवी या वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल हर एक स्टेशन से रिपोर्ट किया गया. ऑन 15th जून को गोवा में 5 स्टेशनों में वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल यानी कि रेनफॉल एक्सीडिंग 12 सेंटीमीटर रिकॉर्ड हुआ और 14th को ये 7 स्टेशनों में से वेरी हेवी रेनफॉल रिकॉर्ड हुआ था. तो ऑन 15th के रेनफॉल के हम देखेंगे तो हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल रिपोर्ट हुआ पेरनेम से 152 मिलीमीटर्स ऑफ रेनफॉल और दूसरे स्टेशन जैसे कि सांगे, ओल्ड गोवा और वालपुई ये स्टेशनों से भी नॉर्थ एंड साउथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एट स्कैटर्ड एज वेल एज आइसोलेटेड special distribution for up to 18th of June.
As we have come to the end of our bulletin, watch the rain visuals from all over the state. With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Goa365 TV or download our app which is available on both Android and iPhone to watch it all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe and keep watching Goa365.